Hello all, I am Jairam. In a series of providing video sessions on C programming language, in my last session I have discussed about different concepts on pointers. What is meant by pointer arithmetic and what is a pointer comparison, incrementing a pointer, decrementing a pointer. These are the topics I have discussed in my last session. If you want the session, please subscribe my channel Jairam Turlapati and like my videos. Now in this session I am going to discuss about the remaining concepts in pointers. That means how we can pass an array to a pointer, how the functions how we pass a pointer to a function, how functions return a pointer, and what is meant by pointer to pointer, and what is meant by array of pointers. These are the topics. These are the topics I am going to discuss in this session. So if you like my explanation, if you like my way of explanation, please subscribe my channel Jairam Turlapati and like my videos. Now let's start the session. First topic is array of pointers. What is meant by array of pointers? Here array of pointers means we are passing an array. We are passing an array to a pointer. Passing an array to a pointer. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Yes, it is possible to pass an array to a pointer. How we can pass an array to a pointer? Here I am going to discuss this topic with the help of a program. Here I have written a small program on array of pointers. First of all, let's see the program. By program we can easily understand concept of array of pointers. So first of all, here I have written a small program on array of pointers. Here I have included two basic header files, and next here I have taken a maximum value of integer type and make it is a constant and assign 3 value to it. Next, here I have written a main method of type void. That means here main method has written anything. Why? Because the data type of main method is void. That's why this main method hasn't written anything. Next, here I have taken an array of type integer and assigned 3 values in it and declare and defining a 3 values in it: 10, 100, 200. These are the 3 values I have declared. I have defined in array of variable of type integer. Next, I have taken I of integer type. This is for indexing. This I value, indexing these values in the array. For that purpose, I have taken I of integer type. Next, here I have taken for loop. Here I have written 3 condition, as for loop has 3 condition: initialization, and next one is the condition, incrementation or decrementation. Here first of all I have declared I value at 0 position. That means index point to the lowest address in the array. Next, here I value pointing to the less than of the maximum. Why? Because I have to check, I have to pass an array, I have to print the values in the array. That's why I less than max. Here I have put this condition, and I plus plus I incrementing the index value from lowest address to highest address. The index value has to be incremented. That's why here I am incrementing the I value. Next, I am printing the value of that value of this array onto my output screen. Simply here I am printing the I value. I value means positioning variable value at 0 position, 1th position, 2nd position. This is the 0 position, and this is the 1st position, this is the 2nd position. These 3 positions just simply I am printing here. At 0 position, value stored in a pointer is 10. At 1st position, value stored here 10, 100. At 2nd position, at 2nd memory location, value stored here 200. So this is the way we pass an array to a pointer. This is the way we pass an array to a pointer. Next concept, pointer to pointer. What is meant by pointer to pointer? Here A pointer to a pointer is a form of multiple indirection. That means a chain of pointers. That means a pointer contains address of variable. When we define a pointer to a pointer, the first pointer contains the address of second pointer. That means here we are using two pointers here. Here the first pointer, take this, just look at the diagram. Here just look at the diagram. Here first pointer is a variable. This is the one type of pointer variable. This is the address of this pointer, and next here this address of this pointer variable is linked to address of another variable, and here this is the other pointer. What is meant by pointer? Pointer is a variable which stores the address of another variable. Here I am just linking both pointers. Here I am just passing address of this variable to this variable, and address of this variable is passed to this value, and get the value finally. By using pointer of pointers, by using pointer of pointer concept, I am pointing address of n variable to another variable and get the variable value. So this is the concept of pointer to pointer. So how we can done pointer to pointer means, this is done by placing additional hashtag. This is the way star star var. This is the way star star var represents the pointer to pointer. This additional asterisk symbol represents the pointer to pointer operation is to be performed on this variable. Pointer to be pointer operation performed on this variable value. That's why this additional hashtag represent this pointer to pointer operation. So when a target value is indirectly pointed to a pointer, accessing that value requires the asterisk operator be applied twice, like this. So you have to pass a pointer to a pointer. You have to mention additional hashtag symbol to a pointer to perform this pointer to pointer operation. So pointer to pointer is a form of multiple direction or a chain of pointers. That means, first of all, when we define a pointer, the first pointer contains address of second pointer, which points to the location that contains address of actual value. So first of all, this first value holds the, when we define a pointer, this first point contains the address of the second pointer. Next, this pointer which points to the location where the actual value is stored. So this is the way we use pointer to pointer concept in pointers. Next, let's understand the concept of pointer to pointer with the help of a program. Here I have written a small program on pointer to pointers. I have included the basic header files, standard library files, and written a main method of void type, and this main method has written any value. Here I have taken three different types of variables, integer values. First one is the variable of integer type. Next one is the pointer variable of integer type. Next one is this additional hashtag symbol represents the pointer to pointer variable of integer type. These are the three different types of variables of integer type I have taken here. Next, I am assigning 3000 value to a variable, 3000 value to a actual variable. This is the actual variable, this is the pointer variable, this is the pointer to pointer variable. These are the three different types of integer variables. Now I am assigning a 3000 value to a actual variable, 3000 value to a actual variable. Now I am performing an operation called take the address of variable, take the address of this variable. That's why I have written here pointer equal to ampersand variable. This ampersand represents the address of this variable where the 3000 value going to be stored. I have taken that address. And the address will be stored into this pointer variable. Next operation is take the address of pointer using the address of operator ampersand. Now by using the pointer to pointer variable, I am taking the address of this pointer variable. Next, take the value using the PPTR, that means pointer to pointer variable. Now by using this pointer to pointer variable, take the value. First of all, here I am first printing the value of variable. First what is the actual value is there in the variable, that is printed onto output screen as first line output. You can observe the output on right side of your program. Value of variable is 3000. Next I am printing value available at the pointer, that is by using the star pointer. I am taking, by using the star pointer we can get the value stored at that pointer. 32 value stored as 3000 you get on my output screen. Next I am printing another value available at pointer to pointer, that too printing that value by using this pointer to pointer variable. 32 has the value 3000. Why all three has 3000 value here? First of all, actual variable value taken are 3000. Next, by using this pointer variable, I am storing the address of this variable. Next, by using this pointer to pointer variable, next I am storing the address variable. That means this PPTR stored the address of this pointer variable. This pointer variable stored the address of variable. So as soon as you printing this value, first of all I am printing the first variable value. Next I am printing this pointer variable. Next I am printing the value at the pointer variable. So when you call this pointer variable, the address available at 3000 means this 3000. What is the address of this pointer? That means this variable value. What is the variable value? 3000. That is to be displayed onto output screen. Next, PPTR. What is the value available? What is the PPTR value stores here? The pointer to pointer variable stored the address of PPTR. So as soon as when you call the pointer to pointer, when you place the asterisk symbol before the pointer to pointer variable, it simply gets the address of this pointer variable. So where the pointer to pointer variable, this pointer to pointer points to the ampersand variable. What is the value in the variable? What is the value in the variable? 3000. That is the display onto output screen. That's why we get in all three operations we get 3000 as a value stored in them. That is the concept of pointer to pointers. That is the concept of pointer to pointers in C programming language, and this is the one type of concept in pointers. So next topic, passing pointers to function. How we can pass it? Is it possible to pass a pointer to a function? Yes, it is possible to pass a pointer to a function. Then how we can pass a pointer? So in C programming, C language allow us to pass a pointer to a function. To do so, simply declare the function parameter as a pointer type. So function parameter. So what is meant by function? What are the different types of functions? How the function declaration? How we can define a function? So all these concepts are discussed in my previous session. If you want the session, please go to my channel Jairam Tullapati. You can get the functions videos there, video sessions there. Please go to the channel and take sessions on functions. Then come to this topic and let's understand this concept. Passing pointers. What is the way we pass pointers to? What is the way we pass pointers to functions? Means we pass pointers as an argument to a function. How we can pass a pointer to a function? Means functions can be passed to a pointer by using as an argument. Here let's understand this program. So with that we have a clear idea how we can pass a pointer to a function. Here I have written a simple program. Here I included the two header files. I am included the other header file, that is time.h. Why? Because here I am taking unsigned long type of seconds. That's why these seconds and these get seconds method get seconds method, these are available in this time.h header file. That's why I am included this time.h header file. So let's start. Here I have written a function called get seconds. Get seconds is my functioning of type is void. That means this get seconds has written any value. Next I have taken an argument. This argument specifies, this parameter specifies, we are passing a pointer variable. We are passing a pointer variable to a function. Why? Because this is the function. This is the signature of function. This is the name of function. This is the return type of function. This is the parameters or argument list. Totally this is called function signature. In this parameter section we are passing pointer as an argument. That's why this is called pointer to function. This is called pointer to functions. Now let's continue program. Here I have taken a seconds variable of long and that too unsigned type. That means positive value. Unsigned means it takes only long of positive values. Next, here I am calling the get seconds method. Here I am calling get seconds method of I am passing the this address location of these seconds. Next I am printing the actual value onto my output screen. Next, as soon as the compiler encounters the get seconds method, it goes to that method and executed the statement written under that method. So the cursor goes here and executed the statements. Here I have taken a pointer variable and here just I am assigning the null value to it. Why? Because I don't know the time and that's why I am putting the value as null. So as discussed in my first session about introduction of arrays, introduction of pointers, so if you don't know value or the exact location or the address location of that pointer, simply mention as null. That's why here I am mention that as null. So this is the way we pass an array to a pointer and the output is printed as number of seconds is this. This is the output of this program. So this is the way. This is the small program just for understanding purpose. Here this is the main point. This is the pointer. This is the way we pass a pointer to functions. So next concept, return pointer from function. What is the way how we can return a pointer from function? How we can return a pointer function? How functions return pointers? So C also allow us to return a pointer from a function. To do so, we have to declare a function returning a pointer in the following program. That means this is the return type of function and this is the name of function. Before name of function, we specifies the pointer variable or we specifies the hashtag symbol. This hashtag symbol and the return data type and this function signature specifies the functions are returning a pointer. And second point noted here, so as soon as you invoke a function, this is the function name with a pointer placed before it and specify return type of that function, and you have to write some statements here. First of all, before going to discuss about, and you have to put some statements and put some variables. So those variables and those functions and those methods written under that block, those are accessibility. Those scope is up to that block only. Whatever may be the statements we are going to declare, whatever may be the variables we are going to declare here, those scope or those accessibility is up to this block only. They hasn't any scope, they haven't permission. We don't have a permission in order to use these declared variables here outside of a program. Why? Because we often treated them as local variables. Here I have mentioned the point here. Second point to remember is that it is not a good idea to return the address of local variable outside the function. Local variable outside function is not work. That's why, so you would have to define the local variable as static. So in order to use the variables which are defined under function, which are defined under a function. So make it as static, then only you can access the variables outside of the function only, outside the function too. That's why we make it local variable as static in the while writing the program pointer from functions. So this is the definition, and this is the just a discussion about how functions return a pointer. Let's understand this concept with a program. Here I have written a simple program. Here I have included the two header files, basic header files, and here too I have taken time.h header file. Why? Because here I am using the get random method, and I am using the time value this time method, and these are available in time.h. That's why I am included that time.header file. Next I am here I have written a simple method called get random method of the random method of function type. Why? Because here this hashtag symbol this hashtag symbol written here specifies the functions are returning a pointer. Here I have make it my pointer is an array or how it holds the 10 values of integer type. Next I make it as static. Why? Because I want to use this r value outside of this function also. That's why I make it this I make this variable as static variable, this local variable as static. Okay. Next here I have taken a value. Next I am checking the set the seed condition. Here also in the time not whether time started or not. Next here I am printing the for loop. I am printing the 10 values to it, and next I am assigning the 10 value. That means here indexing the each value to the random method, and next I am printing that values on the screen one by one. Next I am returning the r value. Why? Because here my function is of type integer. That's why this function has to return some value. That's why I am returning here r value. This r value means here I have mentioned here this is the array name of the array, and it has some value to hold in order to perform some specific function. That's why here I am returning the value. Next I have written main method here. Here simply I have initialized the pointer variable, and the next one is the index value. By using this pointer variable I am calling the function get random function. By using this pointer variable I am calling the function. This is called pointering, how functions return a pointer. By using this pointer variable I am calling that function into my main method, and this is the sample output is to be displayed as soon as the program is to be executed by the compiler. So this is the concept of how we can pass a pointer to a function, and how functions return a pointer to us. What is meant by pointer to pointer? These are the different types of concepts are available in pointers. So in my next session I am going to discuss about what is meant by what is meant by strings, what are the different types of strings are there, how we use strings, what is the use of strings, and what is the importance of strings in C program language. So these are the topics I am going to discuss in my next session. So if you like my session and like my way of explanation, please subscribe my channel and like my videos, and thank you one and all for watching, and thank you.